I have this unique lipstick from Max Factor, and this contains two steps. One is lip color and the top coat. So I'm going to try this lipstick and this unique lipstick for you all. So wait a second and I'm going to show you the result. So is it matte or transfer proof? What it is? So here is the first coat. So this is the first application of the lipstick, and let it dry for a while. So it's completely dried now, and I can tell you one thing, that you can't use this lipstick by itself alone, the first coat, because it's very drying. It's like very drying. It's dried a lot, and now I'm going to apply second coat and see the result. It's like a Vaseline. I have applied the second coat, and now you can see it's very glossy, bit matte effect, like awesome effect. So I'm going to test it for the transfer. I got no transfer. This, like, it's not going to give you any transfer. It's transfer proof. It's just you have only top coat on your hand. Like, awesome. It's awesome. It's mind blowing. It's awesome. It's literally awesome lipstick.